We'll keep the rest of your Monday on a dry note after we did start it off with some showers from earlier this morning. And the temperature is still going to be on the chilly side getting into early Tuesday. Winds still coming in from the west, also going to be staying on the breezy side too. So here's a look at it. Future view approaching the midnight hour tonight. Getting out the door for your Tuesday. Generally dry conditions, so at least for your Tuesday morning commutes, bus stops, we're not tracking any precipitation, so it should be a mostly dry start to your Tuesday morning. And even throughout most of the day, we'll get our fair share of some sunshine to start it off. Later into the afternoon, here we go closer to the dinner hour, 5, 6 o'clock. We do start to welcome in the chance. Could have an early shower. Still thinking the majority of the daytime hours tomorrow will be on a mostly dry note. Probably just going to be an increase in the cloud cover. Better rain chances come back. There they are. Tuesday, late evening. We're at midnight, getting into early Wednesday morning. Notice the placement of some of this rain as we get into midweek by early Wednesday. It does look to be favoring more of our northern communities. So that's going to be the next best chance we do track as we're going into midweek. There's going to be another system fairly similar to that as we're going later into the week. That's going to be a rain chance as we go into the day on Friday. And then things for the weekend, well, they start to get interesting to say the least. We're going to have some more colder air in play. This is a look at it later into the day on Saturday. You do see a lot of these blue arrows coming in from the north. That's ushering in some colder air. And then we're going to mix a little bit of precipitation along with it. Some of the long-range models does want to try and give us a little bit of snow as we're going right there into the day on Sunday. Northwest winds over the relatively warmer waters of our lovely Great Lakes could even give us a little bit of lake effect snow as we go late Sunday getting into the day on Monday. We're 6 days out. We still have plenty of time to look over some of the newer data, but we're looking at patterns right now. So we'll keep you posted on it, like always, as we're going later into the week. Out there right now, Cadillac holding on to 50 degrees. Wind a little bit breezy right there from the west at about 9 miles per hour. Manistee also holding on to some mid-50s at this hour. Current temperature sitting right there at 54. Here's where you'll go past midnight. A lot of temperatures back into the 30s. Lakeshore communities still could hold on to a few low 40s as we start off your Tuesday. It's going to be a mostly dry day for tomorrow. There it is, eastern upper tip of the mid, including a few more low 50s for you there. Still the breeze coming in from the west. I think that's going to be the main thing we track for you into your Tuesday afternoon. Western lower your temperatures right there for tomorrow, featuring a lot of mid-50s getting into the day. We'll keep an evening chance for a shower. Again, most of the daytime still does look dry. Sunrise side temperatures very similar as we go throughout your Tuesday afternoon. Still tracking more mid-50s as we get into the day tomorrow. And last but not least, even central lower, you could even get a few numbers closer to 60. So we'll be watching that for you. That's really going to be the extent of the heat and probably one of our warmest days we will have for this week. There you go into the next 7. We'll watch Wednesday, Friday for some showers and possibly a rain-snow mix, Adam, getting into the weekend.